First, we need to go to the settings page, and then we need to find the email templates. As you can see, I have some templates here. You can simply create your own by clicking on the create template, and you have options for a basic template or an advanced template. I've got some templates to show you, and there's different ways that you can utilize the email templates within our solution. You can have a feedback email and a dispatch email, which will automatically be sent once the order has been produced with a label and being shipped with the courier. You can also create emails to the customers with certain aspects of the order or certain statuses of the order as well. So you can fully customize these email templates to utilize in your solution. If we look here, I can simply manage my email template, and as you can see, we have a very user-friendly click and drop solution where you can set your content, structure and settings to be able to fully customize your email template and add the information that you need. Once you've named it and saved it, for this example, we're going to use this as an email dispatch notification. So then I need to go to my sales channels. I then need to select the sales channel I want to use it with. So for this example, I'm using my manual. When I go to edit the channel, you can see we have dispatch emails and feedback emails. So what we do is we enable a dispatch email. You can enter your subject and a BCC email address. You can then say whether it's a channel specific or courier specific. You can enter your from email address here, and then you can choose your template from the drop down. Once you've hit save changes, you can then have that engaged and working for that automatically. One other way is you can also do it based on order statuses as an example. So here we need to go into our order rules, and then we can set up a status. As you can see, I have one here already active. So when I go to manage that, I've given it a name. I've shown whether that is an active rule. I've given it a run limit and a run priority. And this is worked based on the status. And I have a status called Adam, but I can also choose any of the other statuses within Dispatch Cloud. I can then set the action to send an email. I can choose the template I want to use. If I want it to go to the customer, I can simply put in this tag to utilize a customer's email address and then enter a subject. So once an order has moved a status within Dispatch Cloud, it will then trigger the email to the customer.